Okay, so kneeling pole pull-ups. This is gonna take a little bit of the weight out of your body because we're gonna stay like pretty low to the ground. I have my pole on static, mostly because I find it really trippy if the pole moves while I'm trying to do things in general, but especially like conditioning exercises. So for the pull-up, a few things that I want us to be aware of. When our arms are up overhead, we're letting our shoulder blades come up with us. They need to upwardly rotate and then wrap around your shoulder, around your rib cage, excuse me, when your arms are overhead. To initiate the pull, we start with bending our elbows, and then as our elbows bend, our humerus goes from being overhead to not overhead, and that's when the shoulder blades down and back cue can happen. So we're up overhead, letting them come up. We're going to start with bending the elbows and lifting as much as you want to lift up for. So from the side, arms overhead, and the height, pick a height that you know you're going to be able to start with the bending of your elbow. So not like max overhead, but like a pretty comfortable overhead. And then start with bending the elbows, bend, 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 lift, and lower. There's two different muscle types of contractions happening here. As we pull up is a concentric or shortening muscle contraction, which is really great. A lot of the strength building though comes from the eccentric or the lowering. So if you need to, like, use your shins to pull up and then slowly lower using less of your body weight, if that's where you're at.